If your laptop speaker's not working and you want to use your phone speakers to play laptop sound, this is how to do it. First, install the SoundWire Android app from Google Play Store. Then install the SoundWire server on the Windows or Linux computer, which is your source of music, web audio streaming, or other sounds. Click on the appropriate version below to download. After downloading, run the installer. You must answer yes, allow access, to the Windows firewall prompt. Select both private and public networks. If you see this warning message, you can change laptop audio device sample rate on control panel. I will show you how to do it on end of the video. This server address is the IP address of your computer. Normally it's auto-detected. You can find your computer IP address using ipconfig cmd command. To connect with SoundWire server, the phone and laptop must connect to same Wi-Fi network. You can do it by turning on mobile hotspot on phone and connect the laptop with mobile hotspot. After connect with sound server, you will hear laptop audio on your mobile phone speakers. If is there any latency with audio, you have to adjust audio buffer settings on SoundWire mobile app. Set it to 32K or 16K.